Question: the first trypoblastic animal is answer platyhelminths. Next question: the male and female sex organ of petrodophyte are called answer spermatozoa and oozonia respectively. Next question: which is gregarious pest? Answer locusta. Next question: a prothols is answer a gemophyte free living structure formed in petrodophytes. Next question: vegetative reproduction in algae is by answer fragmentation. Next question: trypoblastic animal contains answer ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Next question: match the following. So A is match to Loctosa is Loctus, and B honeybee is Apis, and C silkworm is Bombax, and La insect is Lexifer. Question: holdfast type and found constitutes the plant body in case of answer Phallophacus. Next question: Volvox is a answer colonial algae. Next question: the first dipoblastic animal is answer coelentrates. Next question: sex organs in petrophytes are formed on the answer photosynthetic free living gymnophyte. Next question: other name of limulus is answer king crab. Next question: a plant shows thallus level of organization. It shows rhizoids and is haloped. It need water to complete its life cycle because the male gametes are mostly identify the group of which it belong. Answer birophytes. Next question: the mode of reproduction found in algae are answer vegetate, asexual, sexual. Question: spores in petrodophyte give rise to answer free living gemophyte. Next question: write a name of living fossil. Answer limulus. Next question: fusion of two motile gametes which are dissimilar in size in termed as answer anisome. Next question: filamentous form of algae are answer A ultrox, B spirogyra. Next question: most of the sponges are answer asymmetric. Next question: which are correct about petrodophytes? Statement 1: the sporophyte bear sporangia that are formed on the sporophylls. Statement 2: they are frequently grows as ornamentals. Statement 3: vascular tissues are absent in petrodophytes. Answer 3 statements are correct. Next question: which mosquitoes used as a vector for various diseases? Answer Chlosis, B Anopheles, and C Aedes. Question: the characters used to classify organisms when no fossil evidence is supportive is answer numerical taxonomy, cytotaxonomy, chemicotaxonomy. Next question: when the body of an animal can be divided into equal left and right halves by one plane symmetry, it is known as answer bilateral. Next question: cones in petrodophytes are formed in answer Selaginella and Equistem. Next question: cyanobacteria are classified under answer Monera. Next question: chlorophyll bearing thylakoid simplify autotrophic and mainly aquatic organism are answer algae. Next question: radial symmetry is shown by answer coelcenter, B adult achiomedramates. Next question: select from the following the total number of organisms that belongs to phylum Arthropoda. In all of these 6 numbers of organism belongs to phylum Arthropoda.